What's up, team? It's really good to be back with you guys. It's Friday, the 21st of March, and we are back on the charts again. So today, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you guys a quick analysis and a breakdown. And from scratch, basically, we're going to be identifying potential trades that we can take today. And if we find a good trade, I'm going to be executing a trade today. And I just thought, okay, that's something that I do probably on a daily basis. I don't trade every day, given that if I don't find the setup that I'm exactly looking for, I don't execute any trades. And that's something that's really essential, especially as a trader, to know how to approach the market, to know when to trade and to know when not to trade, and to be highly selective of the pairs that you actually choose to trade. So first of all, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be going to some charts, probably trying to identify some high setup opportunities. And yeah, without any further delay, I think we're gonna be going first for, let's look at AUDCHF from a bigger picture. Dropped. I don't really like how AUDCHF is looking like right now, but let's see, perhaps we can find something solid on it. Let's not be too quick to judge. Okay, so on AUDCHF, let's see. Okay, price appears to have dropped and has been consolidating in this area here. It's not that clear as well to see if this is level 1. Bam, again, this could be level 2 and potentially this one level 3, but I just marked one big level because I usually like to mark on the 15 hours. So if something is not that clear, it's kind of unclear, I don't approach that certain market, I don't trade it. Let me go to GBP. This is GBP JPY, and we're going to be checking it on the 1 hour time frame. Obviously, as you can see, price went 1, 2, and 3. Price dropped 1, and essentially, if we are to trade GBP JPY, from what I can see already, price has already been giving us some sort of rejection to the downside, which is pretty clear to me, honestly. Just that price didn't really give us that high yet. Let's see. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, price did hit the first time and price did hit the second time, and this could be a good sell entry, you know, a short sell in this specific pair over here. And what time is it right now? We just want to check if, okay, the London session hasn't opened yet. We still have something like about 15-20 minutes before the London session opens, and essentially I like to enter trade at the beginning of the London session. However, I do like how this is looking like over here. TP1 could be over here, and obviously our TP2 could be somewhere around this area over here. So let's see how price is going to behave with GBP JPY. And let me go, this is EURUSD, not too clear. USDCHF as well, not too clear. US 30, US 100. Identify potential GBP. Okay. I think we could do something with GBP AUD, because from my point of view on GBP AUD, let me try and open this on trading view. Yeah, let me try and open this on trading view. Transition. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it now that we are on trading view. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. I just want to see. Okay, this is looking quite clear to me, especially. Let's start from here. So basically, we got our peak formation high over here. We got our day 1 drop and rejection over here. So this is our level 1, and we got our level T2, and then we have our level 3. And essentially, if we take a closer look at it, we have again our level 1, and we have, this is probably our level 2. This whole scenario over here, we could say it's our level 2, or we could say 1. Okay, let me just box this in properly. Yeah, 1, we got 2, and essentially we got our level 3, which is over here, up here. I'd like to box this whole area in, and let's go to 50 minutes. We got our level 3, could be this or could just be this high top over here, but let me just go to MetaTrader 4. Let me just go to MetaTrader 4. I check what's up on MetaTrader 4. Okay, so we got this, we got our level 1. Yeah, this is definitely level 2, then our level 3 over here. So on this specific pair, we still have to wait for price to give it some sort of rejection or whatever. So for now, oh my days, GBP, JPY has already been selling. Okay, so let us sell GBP, JPY. GBP, JPY. Sell on GBP, JPY. Okay. Yeah, so this is it. I think we are selling GBP, JPY. Okay, GBP, JPY sell. Let me open GBP, JPY for you guys real quick. Hold on trading view. But it's a bit of a sticky one, you know, on GBP, JPY. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, we're coming from the upside. Where did price? Okay. GBP, JPY. Okay. Yeah, so I just entered the sell on GBP, JPY. Let me see how we can approach this whole thing now. PJPY at what price point? 193.236. Stop loss goes above the high. 193.619. 619. Then we've got our TP1, which is by 192.658. And we've got our TP2, which is by TP2, which is gonna be by 192.167. Yeah. I also don't like how the TDI is showing. Notice I forgot to transition. Okay, so that's what's going on over here. This is our entry somewhere around this area over here. Our first TP is going to be here, which we are targeting the Asian low, and then our second TP is going to be down here, or we could try get the previous day low. which is quite a strong area. We got our first TP over here, and then by extension we're gonna have our second TP somewhere down here. So let us take a closer look at this currently. This is probably our peak formation high, and then we have our first level of drop. I do like to be looking for further confirmations, especially on the higher time frames and all that. That's something that I usually like to do. Now let me, yeah, I want to be looking for further confirmation. Hopefully this candle doesn't reverse over here, because it's also quite a strong area of support that I'm entering in, because we have the Asia midline and we also have the EMA over here. However, I am seeing some strong on our time frame. TDI is just above the oversold line, and I would like to see TDI returning down here and potentially closing down here, so that we can have that like reverse until this area here, or this second area over here, so that we may end the day probably near the open. We're already near the open line, but yeah, somewhere near the open line, which is something that the market makers usually do. They really do this like too often, you know, they really do this too often. So this is my analysis for today on GBP JPY, and obviously I'm gonna have to end this video over here. Okay guys, so this is the result of the trade that we took earlier on GBP JPY. As we can see that the TP1 has been hit. Currently it hit and it ended up giving us a quick pullback to the upside, but we're still hoping that price is going to potentially break below the 800 EMA and give us that TP2. However, if you have opened more than one position, it's actually wise that you close the first position and you move your stop loss into profit, so that if price decides to go the other way around, you might still come out positive. So this is it for today's episode. I'll probably catch you on the next one. Next week I'll be uploading more daily analysis and a few live trading as well. So catch you guys on the next one.